Hello, my name is Dr. Elvin Fitton. I've been practicing for about 24 years now. And whenever COVID hit, all of the doctors, patients, everyone started talking about what are we going to do? Everybody's looking for masks and PPE. And I started looking at how could I help? What was something I could do for my colleagues? And a slit lamp shield had already been invented, so I turned my attention to the Phoropter and started working on ways to protect the doctor and the patient from potential pathogens. And by developing the Phoropter Mask, we were able to create an additional barrier that goes between the patient and the doctor. Whenever they arrive for the manual Phoropter, you remove the traditional face shields simply by taking them off. And the stainless steel clips will serve as the tension mount for the tabs on the disposable VisibleBliss mask. By inserting it between the Phoropter and the stainless steel clip, it allows the mask to go between the wells of the Phoropter. This creates a non-gas permeable barrier between the doctor and the patient. Once you've completed the refraction, you simply remove the mask by grabbing the outside of it and pulling straight down, and in front of the patient, put it in the recycle bin. This allows the patient to see you put a brand new disposable single-use Phoropter mask in front of the patient, and allows the patient to see you dispose of it in front of them as well.